Okay, my people, this na Pidgin News Network. Now, man on the street be this. We say make we cross water, bring una tori where they happen for United Nations corner concerning this corona matter. The oga patapata for United Nations, where name na Antonio Guterres, talk say since the spread of this coronavirus, say people where they suffer and pass, now people where no fit help themselves, especially poor people, instead of they suffer this matter pass, and even the disease and the response where they follow for the matter. Oga Antonio come talk say the one with the worry and pass, he said na the children of the world. He said, oh, our children. He said, but thank God say the children not to get the certificate where corona they find. So now make can they use this medium, they beg family, people and government where they lead all over the world for every level. Say I beg, make una help us protect our children. Oga Antonio come talk say we don't bring 4 risk factor where they scale with children life for this season. He said one of them na education. Oga Antonio say if una notice say since this period all school for the world don't lock down, nobody they go school again, even though some people they do internet schooling. He said but not be everybody get the money to do this internet schooling. Even some countries serve their internet not too pure. The second one where Oga Antonio come talk, he say na food. He say over 300 million children will be half of the population of the world, they suffer food crisis. He says some of them they depend on the food where they get for school, whether na the school they give them have been a longer hunger they take the collect them. He said all of them they still they depend on the food. He says for this matter in they pity the children for the world, so in they beg everybody say make we put hand together, look to see how we go take help the world and help our children to come up for this suffer so that they no go get kwashokonarism. He said even before now the world don't they suffer for hunger and kwashokonarism, so this time make everybody put hand together, make we fight the matter. Oga Antonio come talk say the third one where the worry and pass, they say na safety. Oga Antonio say our safety they very important too. He say especially for children. He say now they say they don't lock school down, lock community down, lock everywhere down. He say when I notice now family yawa and family trouble go there. Say a lot of people go start to fight the family. Children go they abuse papa go they abuse mama. Now go they lead to what they call domestic violence. He say that one go increase. He say so I beg no could take eye torchlight watch that matter. In contact say as school close so that early mama duties he no go there again. He said another yawa way there and gbege way there. He said most girls no go like to go back to school. He said because they go see to go school no get any meaning, and some bobos go take advantage. I get belle, it will come full everywhere. He said so I beg, and even self the one they worry am again. He said most children don't put eye for internet. They touchlight they see what they happen for internet. He said that one go expose them to a lot of career activity too. So in the beg government, parent and social media company say I beg una make una help all of us for this matter. The fourth one where Oga Antonio come talk, he say na health matter. Hey, he said this one they worry me well oh. This one they worry me well. He said because house where money no they flow again like before. He said it go reduce normal food money and well body money. He say and this one go affect children and pregnant women where they breastfeed. He say go affect everybody. He say so this one they give and concern where Oga Antonio come talk say the medicine self where they give for polio and measles for 23 countries. He said they don't match break He say now that one self they worry and he say and he know say it go affect children well. He say so this one now they give and serious concern say for 2020 a lot of children go buy. Oga Antonio you can't talk say all of us must put hands together to fight this corona matter so that many things die natural death. He said because the matter done too much, so everybody must come out to put their power together to fight. And he said because this thing come like ants, now it don't get weight like elephant. Oga Antonio come follow talk say government and people wey don't donate money for this matter. He say make them take children education serious and make them make sure say their economy get better assistance. If possible sef make una try transfer money for people wey no fit help themselves, especially family wey no fit do anything to help themselves for this season. Oga Antonio come follow talk say I beg make we no forget those children where they no get house, and especially those wey no get hand and leg to take help themselves. Finally Oga Antonio come talk say he say all wetin remain now for corona matter. He say na make we use our better income wey we don't get for the remaining thing wey remain after we don't fight corona, make we use am better our economy and our society to develop our goals where the world don't set to better our life. He say personally now in dey beg everybody say I beg make una protect our children and make sure say them dey okay.